Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and tonight I'm going to show you how to get your BNB token, Binance Smart Chain, for New York residents. And I'm making this video because we do not have access to Binance.com or Binance.us here in New York. So if you want to get a Binance coin, this is the way to go. This is the way I do it. You don't have to use Bitcoin to convert to BNB. You could also use other coins. But you will need Kucoin to swap the Bitcoin to BNB. Because I need BNB because I want to get a coin on PancakeSwap. Binance Smart Chain token. Or BEP20 token. Now before we begin, we are going to buy Bitcoin. Again, that's the coin I'm going to use when I move it over to Kucoin, so I can swap it for BNB. I believe there are several pairs that you can pair with BNB on Kucoin. You can use Litecoin. But the reason why I chose Bitcoin because the fees are very low, and that's why I'm going with Bitcoin. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is I want to buy Bitcoin. I want to buy Bitcoin from Coinbase. So I am going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay. And we're going to preview. Actually, let me make sure I'm the right. Okay, there you go. We're going to make sure we got the right one. Okay. And we're going to preview. And of course, they're going to charge me a fee of $384, which is a little, okay. But anyway, this is for the purposes of the video. That's why I'm going ahead and buy this Bitcoin. So it's going to be about $96 worth of Bitcoin. So we're going to buy now. And wait what that goes through. Okay, there it is. Successfully purchased BTC. I'll give you the transaction. And we'll just click on that. And we'll see it posted on the, okay, it's right there. Completed. There you go. It's going to be $96.16 worth of Bitcoin. So let's go back to assets. So we can check. So you can see balance is not so much here, but main thing is I just want to check to see the Bitcoins there. There it is. And it actually just went down. Okay, so now we are going to transfer our Bitcoin to Kucoin. Now we are going to go to Kucoin. So let's go to Kucoin. I already had logged in. And this is Kucoin. We're going to go to deposit. Okay. And we're going to select BTC. And we need to get our wallet address, and this is it right here. Okay, this is my wallet address to send Bitcoin to my Kucoin account. Now your address is going to be different. Okay, so just keep that in mind. This is not going to be your address. This is my address for Kucoin for BTC. Okay, you got to remember that. So we're going to copy. Okay, that wallet address. Okay, we're going to deposit. So we're going to withdraw from Coinbase and deposit into Kucoin wallet address. Okay, so let's go back to Coinbase. And right here, see where it says send and receive? We're going to click on that. And we're going to send. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Oh. Bitcoin. Sorry about that. So there's BTC. We're going to send all. Okay. Now here, no address too. We're going to paste our address from Kucoin. Our Bitcoin address from Kucoin. Okay. Remember that. Optional message. We're not going to put anything for that. I'll scroll down a little bit. So this is how much I'm going to send. So we're going to click on continue. Now it's telling me here that I'm sending this amount. Yes, I am sending this amount. Estimated time about 30 minutes. Okay. And there's a network fee. It's a very small fee. This is why I like sending Bitcoin to Kucoin, because the fees are very small. We're going to send now. And it's warning me that it's irreversible. Yes, I understand that. We're going to send now. And now I have to go into my phone with the authentication app and put the 6-digit code. So I'm going to put that as a one-time code. So I'm just going to put that in here. Okay. We're going to confirm. And there it is. We just sent the Bitcoin to Kucoin. So we're going to click on done. And we're going to wait about 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes less. Sometimes it can take up to, as long as I ever had to wait was about 2 hours. So it depends. So we'll come back while we wait for our Bitcoin to transfer over to the Kucoin account. We can track the progress of that transaction. And I remember back then when Coinbase would actually have the link to the transaction, you could just click on it and it'll take you there. However, for some reason I can't find it here, or they changed the way it's laid out. So I go to the Blockchain Explorer, blockchain.com/explorer. I'm going to put the link below in the description for Bitcoin. They do track Bitcoin and a few other assets. But if you're using another coin other than Bitcoin, a different coin, they have their own Blockchain Explorer for that. However, like I said, I'm using Bitcoin, so this is the Explorer that I'm going to use to keep track of my transactions. And how you do that is you paste the Bitcoin wallet address here. Okay, we're just going to press enter. And it says these are 2 blockchain results. So it is this one. This is the earlier one that I did a few weeks back. So we're going to click on that one. So this is the address. And this is the what I done before. And the transaction for that one is, right now there is one confirmation. We need 2 confirmations for it to go through. Okay, I believe it's 2. I mean, you really need 3, but usually by the time you get 2, you'll get the confirmation on the Kucoin account saying that your funds has been received or your crypto has been received. So we really only need 1 more confirmation for it to go through. But you need a total of 3 confirmations for the and like I said, this can take it says up to 30 minutes, but it can take also an hour or 2, as long as I waited for 2 hours at one time. So, but most of the time it's about 20 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And, you know, it is what it is. Of course, the fees are very low. So we'll come back when the transaction is through. While we wait, let's go check again. And right now it says 2 confirmations. Okay. Now around this time, normally I will get the notice saying that I already received the Bitcoin, the transaction of crypto on my Kucoin account. I'm going to check that now. Again, it's really supposed to be 3 confirmations, but by the time you get 2 confirmations, there is already going to be posted on your account. So let's check. So there was the notice right there. There it is. You have received BTC. And before we do that, let's go over here. We're going to close this one. We don't need Coinbase anymore. Now we're going to go to assets. We're going to go to our main account. And there it is. Okay, that's the amount. Okay, and we can look at that here, the history of that. And we're going to check that. And there it is. This is the The transaction we just did. This is the link that I was telling you about on Coinbase. But here they do have the link to the transaction. It's going to go back here and you can see. So that's what I was talking about. That Coinbase used to actually display the transaction links. But I don't know what's going on with Coinbase. They haven't been doing that lately. So anyway, there it is. So we're done with that. So this is transaction is completed. We're going to go to our main account. Okay. Now we need to move the BTC from our main account to our trading account. Okay. Because we want to trade. We're going to take the BTC and we're going to swap that for Binance BNB. Okay. So how we do that is we're going to transfer our BTC from our main account to our trading account. So we're going to click on transfer. As you can see right there, we're going to go from our main account to our trading account because we're going to trade for it. Available amount, we're going to click on it because we're going to send all of it. If you don't want to send all of it, then you type it in here, the amount that you want to send. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That is the maximum I want to send. I'm going to click on confirm. And there it is. I sent it over to my trading account. Okay. Now we're going to go over to our trading account. We click on that. And it's right there. Okay. The amount is right there, ready to be traded. So now it's ready for trading. It's ready for to be swapped for BNB. And the reason why not, because they trade in pairs. In Kucoin, they trade in pairs. So we're going to go to trade link. We're going to go to spot trading. Okay. Not the other ones. Spot trading. We're going to click on that. And that's going to take you over to the trade portion of the Kucoin. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the pair. Okay, so it's going to be BNB BTC. Okay. We have to put our trading password. Okay. Okay. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, here it goes. I thought I forgot it for a second. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and swap the BTC to BNB, and how we do that is I'm gonna do a market order because I don't really care about the limit price, and I don't want to wait for that. I just want to, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just gonna do a market order. Okay, the amount of BTC I want to sell 100% of it for BNB. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that. Again, we gotta find the pair first. I already have it here, but if you didn't have the pair, you will go here and you will search it, and then you will get the trading pair because they trade in pairs here. Okay, so that's why I have the BNB BTC pair, and that's the one I selected. And then we're going to scroll here. You're going to put your trading password for security purposes. So everything's set. I'm going to do market order. BTC. I'm going to put 100. I want to spend 100% of my BTC to buy BNB. So we're going to click on that. And there it goes. You place the order successfully. Market buy BNB/BTC. Okay. So now we have some BNB. So now we're going to go back to assets. We're going to go to our trading account. Okay, so we're done with that. And we're going to give it a second for it to load here. Okay, we are going to our trading account, and there it is. Okay, I successfully sold my BTC and converted to BNB. So now we own Binance Smart Chain token, or BNB. So now we're ready to, now we have BNB, okay? And now I can move this over to my MetaMask wallet because I want to go to Pancake Swap and swap my BNB for another BNB type token, okay? Because that's the reason why I'm getting BNB, because I really want to swap it for another token. And, you know, it could be like whatever token that's BNB, what's the Binance Smart Chain token, you're going to need BNB to convert it for that token. And that's why, and I know this is a few extra steps, but unfortunately, us New Yorkers, we have to do this. Okay, this is why we unfortunately have to go through in New York. We have to do this process because all the exchanges that we are able to access, we cannot get BNB. We cannot buy BNB other than Kucoin. And of course, I could have just bought the BNB and Kucoin, but I don't. I prefer just to swap here. That's just my preference. I prefer to swap here. So there you go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. And it's coming right up because I'm going to do the next step on, I'm going to convert this BNB into something else. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.